How's it going, everybody? Slayer here, bringing you our very first Brilliant Stars opening. Today is release day for the Brilliant Stars set, and there's a lot of chase cards in here, so we're gonna have to dive right in. We will be opening this single-sleeved blister pack that the homie gave me when I picked up this booster box. We're gonna do the whole booster box today, and then we will save the ETB for another time because that's probably all we'll have time to get through. We do have a couple chases. I do have an ETB book on hand because there's a couple bangers I'd like to mention that we're looking for in this set, guys. Banger number 1, Charizard V-Star. Looking for that. Arceus V-Star would definitely be super amazing hit. Oh, yeah, there we go. I would love that Charizard V alternate art more than anything. Full art Charizard would be amazing. The Pikachu or the Raichu. There's just too many bangers in here. Arceus, full art, or the alternate V. Alternate V is definitely probably number 3 for me. Rainbow Charizard V-Star is number 2 compared to alternate. I mean, everything is behind this Umbreon. This is literally, you guys know how I feel about Umbreon. I need both of those, the Umbreon VMAX, Umbreon V. Everything else is just kind of bonus at that point. So we're going to hop right in. We're going to start with this little blister pack. Little check lane booster, if you will. I love the pack arts for these. What we get? Ooh, you know we had to make it a Zard. Alright, here we go, guys. First pack that we've opened for Brilliant Stars. And I'm going to struggle to do it. It's been a while. Alright. Let's see, can we start off with an absolute banger? I think I do see something. Hold up. Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, Staryu, Karabas, Vaporeon with blue. I thought I saw something else. Oh, that must have been it. Let's go, dude. We got a full art trainer gallery card out the gates. Wow, look at the eyes on that. That is really good, dude. That's just out of the sleeve. We haven't even started the booster yet. Ooh, I made a horrible mistake and didn't get sleeves. So stay tuned. Have the sleeves. Always keep them on you. Keep them on you. I made a crucial mistake here. I don't know who I am. Alright. Booster box. Put down below if you're team right or team left. Don't know. Alright. Left side, here we go. We're hoping for Umbreons and Charizards. I mean, that's all I can really say. We don't want any dead boosters. That's going to be another one. Oh yeah, we got code cards. Ooh, I forgot about code cards. We didn't do that in the last one. There you go, guys. Card trick, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, bangers only. Grass Energy, Staravia, Floatzel, Hunting Gloves, Chimchar, Vincino, Voltor, Snow. Oh no, we did not just start off with a golden Articuno that was stuck to the back of this freshwater set. Dude, I was calling this card all stream today on Whatnot, and we just pulled it first pack. Centering a little heavy on the left, totally cool. Let's go. Oh, dude, this is how we're starting this box off, bro. Let's get it. Where are my sleeves at? Oh man, I'm blowing it. Okay, safety. 2 seconds. I am losing my mind. Did that really just happen, dude? So our first sleeved pack was an absolute banger, and then our very first card is a golden secret rare Articuno. No big deal. It's fine. It's just left side's doing good, guys. A little good on left, right? Alright, we will be looking at the code cards. I'll give all codes away, so if you like codes, stay tuned. But if it is white, we will give the code away. And then we're just gonna kind of sift through the cards since it is a newer set. The Sneasel, love it. Flink, Spiritomb, Axew, Impidimp, Purloin, Mothim. The new energies are really sick too. I like how they did those. Exeggutor, and a Weevil. So Sneasel and Weevil, I would definitely take. We're stoked on those. We'll get that sorted later. Right into a Charizard pack. I don't know if V-Stars or anything are guaranteed. We've been doing so far so good as far as pulling them. We're over 400 packs on stream, over on Whatnot, and we have not seen an alternate Charizard. Sock. Here's your code card. I forgot how to do this, guys. Sorry, it's my first time. Oh, it's a white code card. We don't care. Let's just get through. Oh, what? You can get these off of white code cards? We do care, guys. We got Bill and Eevee. I love that they hollowed the eyes like that. Let's see. Wow. Oh, no! Let's go, dude. I love this set. This is an amazing set. We are in it. We are in this bitch. Excuse my language. I'm a little pumped. Alright, remember code cards. Remember how, you remember? You hate to see it. There you go. Little smiggity smack code card. Cast form, throw that ass in a circle, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Shroomish. Oh yeah, you can get bangers out of these. We just learned that and I already forgot because I just moved on. So maybe we don't skip the white codies. I think it'll be fine to skip them. We'll just go to the banger if there's a banger. I know what you guys are here for. You want to see the bangers. And, you know, sometimes it's a pain. With me, if you're here to watch me, it's mostly pain. So, ooh, but we will be doing a card trick. Code card for anybody who wants it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here we go. Energy, Pressure, Tropius, Roseanne, Riolu, couple Burmese, Staryu, Carablast, Clefairy, Ice Cube, into a hollow, super hollow bleedy Torterra. Can I show the bleed? It's hard to get the bleed to show up, but I promise it's bleeding. It's bleeding. Alright, we started off big, bro. Like, I don't even know how to feel right now. We got a gold card to start off with, and there's so many hits to be had. So many Umbreons and Charizards to pull. We're just... Ooh, I saw something. I saw something. I didn't mean to see it. It wasn't purposeful. I didn't mean to do it. It just happened. But I saw something. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's one of those V marker cards. How does that work with a card trick? Does that... I'm about to blow this because I don't know. Alright, I think this is in place of the energy, so that should work. V-Star. Magma Basin. I'm scared. Crawdont. Watch it be nothing. Collapse Stadium. Electabuzz. Hawlucha. Weasel. Gibble. Trapinch. And we got an Entei. Okay, a little V action, you know. Little come down to earth. This is where you're at. Just toss that over there. Left side's doing good. Now, I will say the Vaporeon doesn't count for left side because it was out of the sleeve. So I don't wanna misrepresent over here, but you know, we've got a full art Eevee, an Entei, and we've got a golden Articuno. So either right side's gotta really put up, or left side's just gonna keep putting out. And we'll figure out which is which during this episode of TCG with your boy Slayer. Alright, have we seen all the arts? Pretty much. Nothing. Whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of smack dab of nothing. Moving right along. I usually break these into 2 parts, but always part 1 does really well, and then part 2 doesn't do poorly, because most of my videos average about, you know, the same amount of views no matter what. But I wanted to see if it was because people don't want to wait for the next part and they just want to see all the stuff. That was a white code. We'll just go through it like it wasn't. Haha. We got it clean. So let me know in the comments below if you prefer this over the 2-part. We still got our left and right side, so again, make sure you comment your side down below. Now, if you're commenting right now, you cheated a little bit, but it's okay. We'll let it slide. But let me know who you think is going to be victorious. Code cards. This is pretty much what white code cards are for. Is just getting you guys some stuff online. TCG Online actually for Pokemon's actually pretty fun. I played with the homie the other day and learned a lot. But I am more of a Dragon Ball person to my core. There was something shiny in here. potentially a trainer's art gallery because that was a white code card, but I definitely saw some sheen, but it's been regular V's before knowing me, so we'll see. Cleansing Gloves, Dusclops, Heretic, Duskull, Shinx, that was adorable. Burmy, Staryu, what Sun is putting out right now. Like, what do we do in this scenario? I knew I saw something shiny. We got Gloria. I haven't even seen that card before. Just a Tornadus. Wow, that's actually super clean. Look at the texture on that. Wow. Wow. Oh man, he's gonna put the. You'll see it in the edits. I'm sure it's already gone out. I can't remember the actor's name right now. Wow. Why can't I remember his name? He's in everything. Hilarious, dude. Alright, let's keep going. I don't know if there's gonna be anything on the right side of this booster box at all. I'm gonna be straight up with you, dog, because we've been smacking. Ooh, we got a black border, which means we get to do the card trick. Wait, so was that trainer off a white code? That's crazy. Alright, man, can I not skip whites? I can't skip white codes, white borders. Alright, Electric, Ultra Ball, Hitmontop, Magma Basin, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Terrablast. We got a regular foil Dusknoir, very cool. Little reverse snow run to go with it, no big deal. Almost through the left side, guys. Powering right through. Again, amazing pack art so far. Great video, great set. We've opened this a lot on stream, so I've been having fun with that, seeing everybody getting bangers. We pulled 2 Charizard, Rainbow V-Stars, and like 3 or 4 regular Charizards for people. Charizard V-Stars. Only 1 full art Charizard, 1 regular V-Charizard so far. But we have yet to pull the alternate Zard. I really do hope I get an alternate in here. Not in this pack though, because I did a shit job of opening that. Code. Alright, cool. Got a nice good stack of bulk over here. You always need your bulk. You know, it's like Costco, bro. We get it wholesale over here. Just taking off the weights. Oh, we got a black border. Black border. Ooh, we got our V-Star placement card that threw me off earlier. We got a V-Star. Oh my god. What the fuck? We got it. That's what I'll do when I get my first V-Star. I don't have one yet, obviously. I told you this is my first time opening this set when we started, but I really want a V-Star. And I really want it right. Oh, it's stuck. Why are they sticking? What? Sharon's Care. Dude, we're getting... I hate that that's sticking like that. But it doesn't seem to be doing any damage to the cards itself. But what is going on, dude? Am I seriously... like 2 full art trainers? A gold card? A Eevee and a V off just one side? We still got packs left, dude. If you voted left... good on it. I didn't even sleeve that full, bro. I didn't even know what I'm doing. I may not have grabbed enough top loaders, depending on how this goes. But wow, I am having a good time. All right, let's go. So I have my camera here, but I have my computer here. So sometimes if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm being stupid. All right, no V-Stars yet. I'm kind of getting worried, dude. I think I'm running out of bangers. There's just no way that we can continue pulling hit after hit, right? Like there's a Bidoof in there to bring us back down to earth. Hey man, if you ever need humbled, just look at Bidoof. You could be a Bidoof, but you weren't born a Bidoof, so be happy about it. Because they have to live like that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, okay, hold up. These packs are pretty thick, if you know what I'm saying. Alright, black border. Looking for a V-Star, any V-Star, just give me a V-Star, please. Not any V-Star, I'm lying, I want Charizard real bad. We still need Umbreon, so I'm hoping we can make that work. Clefairy, Cherubi, Socking these nets. I'm so sorry. Corpus. Gold. Dust Gold and a Raichu V. Okay. Alright. Sticking it out with some more V cards. Dude, look at that. It looks like the whole box. Like, that's normally like the amount of hits that I usually get. I'm not used to this. What's happening? Alright, left. You got 2 packs left. Let's see what you can do. Let us see what you can do. You've already done great. You've done outstanding. 10 out of 10 if you ask me. Nah, not 10 out of 10 yet. I don't have a V-Star, but once we hit the V, or a Zard or an Umbreon. If we can hit either of them, just a Zard or an Umbreon, I don't even care. Doesn't matter which one. I don't want the Zard V, but I'll take it. I'll take the normal one. If that's the only Zard you'll give me. Kabachu, Dedenne, Farfetch'd, Duskull, Starly, and a Moltres Hollow. Not bad, not bad. Pretty neutral. To be expected. We got an Arceus. He's God, so. Speaking of Arceus, Legends Arceus is probably the best Pokemon game that's ever come out, dude. I have never had so much fun and like not rushed a Pokemon game the way that I've done with Legends Arceus. Lots of shinies, a couple random shinies, which is not something that was typical of my life. So we've been having a good time. Alright. So if you voted team left, let's tally up what you got. Again, the Vaporeon was prior. If it was a prior card, so I cannot include the Vaporeon. We got for left side Sharon's Care. We got a Gloria. I can't freaking believe Golden Articuno, Raichu V, Entei V, and an Eevee. I don't know if you're guaranteed. Is Eevee not sleeved? What the? Look at that, man. Sheesh. Alright, we're gonna get the Vaporeon. The Vaporeon's not sleeved either. What am I doing, bro? What am I doing? It's my first time, guys. It's my first opening ever. Alright. We're gonna set you guys up here. And we're going right side. We're gonna just move on. Left with bangers. So, right. Give me that V-Star Charizard. Let's just be, I need a rainbow. I need a rainbow Charizard. And then in that same pack, go ahead and hook it up with the Umbreon. And we'll be good. No complaints. Okay, I don't know, dude. I mean, first pack on left side. Maybe it was second pack. Alright, so we'll give it to this pack. We need Wright to start answering. Will they be able to even say anything? That was a lot of hits, bro. That might have been the whole box. I'm not familiar enough with the set to know about what I should be expecting, but we got a black border, so adjust the glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say your prayers. Alright. Psychic. Tropius. Morgum. Executor. Gibble. Trapinch these nets. Execute. Slyly. Shroomish. Gloria. Hey, we got a Hobby special, my boy Hobby. We got Raikou for you. First V card, first hit for right side. Okay, so is this a couple V's out of this box? I'm trying to tell myself that there still could possibly be something in here, but I'm hard pressed to believe that any other bangers will be coming out of this box after what was a dominant left side. But this is another black border code card, so maybe. I did 4, didn't I? That's a hollow boss's order, right?
You blew it!
Oh, I guess I'll have to go back and watch that one. That was just a regular boss's order hollow. I'm not sure how that happened. A little confuzzled, if you right side, I want to believe in you. I really do. I really wanted to. Didn't I vote right side? I'm pretty sure I voted right. I can't remember what I voted. This is my video. I can't remember my own rules. I think I voted right. I'm pretty sure I voted right. So I need a Zarda and Umbreon out of right side, or we made a massive mistake. But I never knew that left side was going to come out like that. And it's just luck of the draw sometimes. It's just that RNG factor. I came here with very specific goals that I was really hoping. Ooh, bet the shit out of that code card. Imagine that was like a I would have cried. Alright, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make sure it's 4 this time. That's 4. Everybody see 4? We're going 4. Something. Alright, that's how you know you did it right. Electric. Siglif. Marnie's Pride. Patchy Lucy. Chimchar. Ball Toy. Snow. Runt. Nose. Pass. Mill. Oh, we got Ghost Boy Dustmore. Wow, that looks sick. Look how they did his eye, and behind Dustmore is another hollow. Okay, okay. That's clean. I really did want this one. Ooh, even his eyes. Why can't I remember his name? I was just playing this game, the game. I talked to this fool the other day. Anyway, he's sick. Like him as a character. Cool person. That's right side's first real hit. First real hit. There was Moltres in there. I'll give it to you. How many packs we got left?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What are we even talking about, guys? Pack after pack, stack after stack, no V's. I'll break my damn fingers. Alright, we got a black border. We in it, chat. We in it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Charizard V Star Rainbow. Manifested. Or Umbreon of any kind. We got a Pot Helmet. A Siglif. Acerolar's Premonition. We got a Farfetch. Wow, that is sick Farfetch art. I probably skipped over that card 1,000 times before I noticed that. Sick ass art. Love this new soul art. Bidoof. Electabuzz. More Pepper Beans.
Wow.
Which I didn't have. So cool. Am I ungrateful now? Does this become, am I greedy? Because I got misled. Everything felt so good in the beginning. It all felt like, this was right. Oh, that's a white code card. That's a white code card, my guy. Let's not even waste our time. There you go. Bam. What did we get? what? Oh my god, Flygon, wow. Damn, we're getting desperate. I didn't get a V. I didn't get a V star. What the fuck? It's called Brilliant Stars. I want a star card. I'll take Whimsicott at this point. Just give me a V star before we end. I just wanted a V star. Wow, look at that Luxio. What are we getting here? Nothing. Who would have guessed? 4 packs left, guys. There's a lot of white code cards. I think overall, when we look at it, we did good. I won't tell you we won. I won't tell you that we didn't. But I have very specific expectations. I have very specific goals. We're about to achieve them right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4. Made sure. Checked it for sure. Alright. Keep it tight, get it right. Dark Energy, because we're about to get Umbreon VMAX. Claydol, I haven't got one VMAX. I just thought about that. Freshwater. Staryu. Shock. You know what I was going to say. Cherubi. Riolu. Starly. Boss's Orders. And a Kamehameha Lucario. I am good, guys. I'm about to open my brother's booster box and tell him I'll get him another one. Ugh. Oof. Are we going out sad, bro? After we started so good? We're going out sad. We're going out hella sad. No. We were floating. Okay. One of y'all have to do me right. We're gonna say the Charizard pack for last. I'm praying right now. I just wanted a V-Star card. That's it. That's all I was asking for. I wasn't asking for. Ooh, god damn. Please. Okay. Let's make it. Come on, don't do this to me. Make it a good one. It's gotta be the best one. It's gotta be the one, if you will. The one. God dang. Please don't be a white code. Just give me at least.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Bro.
I've come to talk with you again.
Right side sucked, dude. Thank goodness.
Here, why don't you take out some of that aggression on the drum?
And let loose with your innermost thoughts.
The fuck? The fuck? Bunch of dumbass.
We didn't make that into 2 videos. Jeez. Alright, let's show our spoils though. Alright, so let me just show you what left side was so you can kind of understand. Left side we got 2 full art trainers, an Articuno, a couple V's, and that Eevee. So honestly not bad, but as far as like what I was hoping for, a little bit short of the mark. Yeah, Vaporeon, Duskmore, and well, this is actually a separate pull, so let me just show you right side out in its glory, dude. But overall, let's see, 2 trainers. We got 2 trainers. We got 4 V's, a gold secret, and 2 full art trainers out of 1 box. So I mean, you know, it could have been worse. Could have been worse. Pretty stoked on that. Both of those are sick. We're not mad about either of those. And we got a little Vaporeon over here chilling. This is a stack of the stuff that Jesus Lord. Alright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is 30 minutes long, so I'm sure my buddy Corey will have fun editing this one. And we'll catch you in the next one.